hold hands. Abby, come. Yeah, come. It's fine. It's safe already, Abby. Come. It's safe. They're safe. So how do you feel?
Scared.
What? Scared? Bang? Wow. It is. We are at the 12th level, double floor, so we're in the 24th level from this building. And look, there's an earthquake going on. And we have never encountered like that, only on the ground floor. So we are actually not sure what we have to do. If we have to go, hey, we need to get a shirt and we need to get out, I think.
It's still moving. It's been moving for like 2 minutes.
Like for 2 minutes, yeah. And we film with the phone. We have to get out. So, little while.
I didn't bring my bag.
Yeah, you have to. But I need a shirt and I need pants, Vivian. I only wear my sarong. It is serious, man. It's serious. Listen, hey, they're shouting, man. Still. Yeah, people are getting out of the lift. Go there, or go at the end. Vivian, people are getting out of the building. Did you get the passports and everything, Vivian?
Yeah, I had the passport.
Passports. You will need to bring your phones.
I brought my charger.
Yeah, but I need my shirt. Can somebody else film?
Here.
Can somebody else film?
I hope it's nothing really serious.
Maybe I'll stay here first. If you can say anything, I think I'll bring my laptop with you.
Yeah?
Yeah, just in case. And the hard disks we need to bring.
So maybe you just pick up the hard disk and open up. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's not that it's
You just have to take precautions.
material stuff for us. It's just that we don't want to lose all our vlogs on it.
And the camera is upstairs, eh?
The camera, Samuel.
It's in charge.
Who finished the bit? Sorry, I'm a bit upset there. And you can see reality life. So I don't understand who finished the battery. Do we have a bag?
Yeah, I'll get
Vivian, can you please film?
back.
The emergency exit door is already open.
What?
There are many people coming down the stairs.
Yeah, we have to get out. You better get out of the building. Yeah. The emergency doors have been unlocked already. So just have to take precaution. This flats are 2 levels, so we're on the 12th floor, so it's the 24th level. So it's not no cottages, not a joke. So we just bring a few things. Vivian, this one also. I'm sorry for the funny filming, huh? It is really not supposed to be a. It's not supposed to be some kind of, how do you call it? Beauty contest.
You have time to make a sensation out of it.
Yeah, no, we are. Look, we're in the middle of having chocolate fondue, chocolate fountain something, and spaghetti. We're leaving everything now behind at the moment. Just bring our laptop for the editing. That's all. Airco is off already. Oh, my slippers. Vivian, did you really bring our passports?
Yeah.
And did you bring the 1 million euro? No, just kidding. That we don't have. Now, turn off the lights. Only one small light. A small light. Do you have the keys? Do we have the keys, Vivian? Yeah. No. Lock it. Oh, we have never encountered this. So we're filming with the phone, and we are bringing our camera with an empty battery. Samuel, did you bring the charger? Yeah, well, that's the only belongings we have. A laptop, some phones, and just get out. Wow, man. So I'm not sure what's happening on the street. Let's see here. Yeah, here people are all outside, see? Yeah, people are all outside. Hey, but
Hey, they took care of this.
officially, huh?
To the stairs.
Did they go through the stairs?
Yeah.
So officially, you can't use the elevators. I think. Something locked already.
It's on.
It's working.
Yeah.
Have you ever encountered like this? Have you ever experienced it like this before?
No. First time.
Have you? Huh? So, but the kids, I think, went with the stairs. Did they go with the stairs? Yeah, just go with the stairs. Well, first we thought that just no, this is good, but everybody's getting out. Wow. So we have to go 24 floors down. Maar Vivian, het is niet paas. We zijn nu samen. Are you together? Good together? Good together? No. Wow. We are not the only ones. Hello. Hello, cuties. We are not the only ones, you know. I'm not kidding. The whole flat is going down. The elevators are not working anymore. Wow. Yeah. We could have gone live, but we don't have internet anymore on our facility. Samuel, Moriah, everybody together? Yes, are you all together? I'm just gonna... Samuel, where are you guys? Okay, then let's go. I'm surprised nobody's running out in underwear. But this one. So, oh no, still underwear. What? You're not even at the pool area yet? Wow. No, we are here. Oh yeah, we are not even halfway yet, I think. Guys, can you show me your face? How are you? Yeah? Maybe let them go first, Samuel, so we can be together as a family. Let these people go first, we go as family. Yeah? So, it is serious, eh? Guys, it is really serious. So this is now level 6. So the youngest go, please. Kan ik even voor jullie, jongens? Ik film alleen maar achterkant. Ja. So now you're level 6. Still 12 stairs to go.
6.
Ja. Hoe zijn er bijna hoofd? Hoe zijn je aan hoofd? They're in pairs. So they are in pairs. Then who's missing? Samuel. Oh, Samuel can hold himself. Yeah. Now come along, Paul. Are you fine?
I'm fine.
Yeah. Yeah?
One level the door was locked so people couldn't get out.
Oh? What door? You mean the escape doors? The fire doors?
Okay, so I'm going to get dressed.
You have to talk a bit louder because it's very noisy
I
here.
think I was not
Hello.
going to open it.
Are you going up? There are some people out here already. Hey, you can also go out here, Vivian. I think. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. That's behind me. Yeah. The last level. Well, by the time you're watching this, you probably already know how heavy the earthquake was. Even that door is still locked. Bad. They should have unlocked it. Why are they staying in the building? Look. Wow. Yeah, but how is it, guys, that the battery from the camera is empty? Who's been playing with it? I charged it. When? You charged it? Yeah. Oh, I saw myself in the mirror. I really look shocked here. Look at this. Wow. Hey jongens, sit together. Come here, come here. Weg van het gebouw. Get away from the building. Come here. Come. Heavy? Serious, eh? Come here, come here, come here. Come here. So you have to go to the middle of the street. If you ever get into this kind of situation, you have to get as far away as possible from big buildings. So can you hold me, please? We're going there, we'll be safer. So we're getting away from big buildings, but if this thing collapses, if ever something happens, of course, when I get out of here, I'm sure there's the people inside sleeping. Hey, other people are sleeping inside, they don't even realize it. For us it was still a holiday on Monday, but it's a second day of Easter. But you have to get out of here. Can somebody else say something, please? Yeah, we're standing in the middle here. Come here. Standing here in the middle. Let's stand here, I think. One of the safest places. You want, you can stand up here, Abby.
You're under an electricity pole.
Oh, that's not so nice. No, we don't want to be under an electricity pole. So, this is also another good place. Look, never stand under an electricity pole. Never stand too close to the building. I think I have to go there. I think that's the safest. Yeah. So.
Never stand under the tree.
Yeah, also under a tree. But if some, hey, hold hands. Hold hands. Abby, come. Yeah, come. It's fine. It's safe already, Abby. Come. It's safe. They're safe. Baro, come on. I'm not even sure if the people in the car realize what happened. Huh? This is our very first time. We had some earthquake in Butuan, but it was nothing compared to this. You see everybody out the building. Wow. These buildings are huge buildings. It's 17 floors, so it's 17 houses, so it's like 34, 35, and of course times 2, but then there's no number 13, I just realized, because there's no number 13. So it's like 16 is 34 floors plus an upper deck, ground floor, it's about 35, about 35 floors in this building. Yeah, but you don't know. Yeah, if something happens, you run that way. Just stay here. Okay, come, Abby. Of course, I also almost cried. And Papa also almost cried because it's wow, man. Can you imagine that people really get trapped into these buildings? And so we just stand here, just safe here. There cannot be.
I remember in
no
Baguio
cars.
a long time ago.
Oh, you're scared?
Yeah, she was crying. You didn't know?
No, I didn't know.
Look at Evie. Come here. No, it's a serious thing, but Jedaiah.
It's happening, but we're safe. Yeah?
Yeah, but it was scary.
Yeah, it was scary.
The lamps, everything were moving, and like I said, we had it in Butuan, but comparing this with Butuan, guys.
It was also much longer.
Yeah, but it was minor. In Butuan it was minor. This was amazing. It was heavy. But the whole building was going like, I think it was going like maybe 20, 30 centimeters. We really felt like you were drunk or something. Not that we have really experienced it a lot. And the kids don't know what we're talking about. My goodness.
Got a Barbie.
At least one Barbie. Yeah, and we brought our editing laptop. Oh, you guys didn't bring your school laptop? Huh? Thinking you can skip school? No, how do you feel?
I don't know. Not really scared.
When I saw all the people going down, oh man, I was really. I am like if I don't hold if I don't try to keep my hand still, the camera shakes.
I just want to know what's going to happen.
But it takes a while. I think at least we have to stay outside for an hour or something at least. For the aftershocks can be even aftershock, and also maybe this is only a pre-shock.
Better prepare.
Yeah, but the thing is, like Samuel's saying, he just wonder when we can go back, what's going to happen now.
Yeah.
And this might be the pre-shock only, yeah? I would like to ask some people this here. Hey, let's see. But that's the thing, now I'm walking with the telephone, eh?
There's still somebody inside. I don't know which
People
one.
inside, yeah. Let's see,
It's
above the
not
gym.
moving, better stay put.
Oh, this is.
You never know it.
Where is it then? One.
Two windows above the...
Where is it?
Two and two above
Here, here,
above 6.
here, I think.
Maybe it's 7.
No, I mean above the gym. But how come I don't see him? I think you
it's
can.
6.
It's too dark. Or yeah, you can see his arm.
Where is it? In the middle?
Here.
Oh yeah, he's here. He's somewhere. Where's it? Where's my finger? Sorry, yeah. Oh, you can't see it. So zoomed in. Here, I think. Yeah, and now another lady. Hey, there's some people still inside the building. Can you see him? I think here, this one. And then 2 levels up, there's also some people still. Why are they staying inside? Here was another small shock, man. Wow. That's why I always want to have the battery charged. Have you anything to say, Scott? Maybe? How do you feel? Just try the whole chair.
You're crying because you're scared?
Scared, shocked. Yeah. No, I come back to you. What about you? Can you say something? And your shirt is dirty, yeah? Because we were just eating chocolate fondue, yeah? So, how do you feel?
I don't know.
Do you feel like a bit scared or? Yeah? Can you say what you're feeling?
Scared.
Hmm?
Scared.
Scared? In what way? In what way, Baru, you?
I don't know.
Difficult to say something.
Building might fall.
Yeah. That's why are we standing here, far away? If it falls, we're gonna run, huh? If it falls, hey, listen, if it falls, we're gonna run that way, yeah? Because here there are no high buildings. But that, until there or something. So, Raya, anything to share?
It's kind of shocking how quick this happens. You know, we're just eating and then suddenly an earthquake happens, you know. But it could also have gone differently, or you might not have noticed it, and if it was serious, then
It might have
stuck
gone
there.
down, but that's inside, of course. We're not inside, yeah. And then you're high level. I always like to be very high on top because it's nice area, you can see everything. But the thing is, if there's an earthquake, you don't want to be so high. Oh, emergency choppers. Yeah, of course. Yeah. I'm sure they're checking damage.
Cracks in the stairway. I don't know if that's real or something.
You saw cracks?
Yeah, but that might have been just. Yeah.
You meet me from another time. I feel nervous. I feel, but also not scared. But how to say that? I don't, not unstable, but just nervous, like shocked that something that can happen. Then you have 6 kids, of course, there at the 23rd, 24th level, of course, or 22nd. Yeah. So, Hoshi, can you say something? Hey? Now we're already outside, huh? So how do you feel?
Scared.
What?
Scared.
Scared? Bang? So can you a little bit describe how you're feeling inside? Do you feel some kind of thing? So you said you feel scared. So how do you feel?
Scared.
Hmm?
Scared.
So do you feel something in your body? Some nervous or do you have kind of feelings in your belly? Yeah, what kind of feelings? You can't describe? But you're happy we're down? What did you think when it happened? What did you feel? Can you describe how it felt? You can Samuel or I mean Baruchel or Jedaiah?
We feel very scared.
So can you show what happened? How did you feel when you were standing? Yeah?
I was
What's that?
sitting on the couch and I felt it, but I was like...
Well, those who were standing felt it first.
Yeah, and then Baru says earthquake, so I thought already. That's
Was
why
it Baruchel?
I want because it was noisy in the house.
Yeah.
So I wanted to say quiet first because I want to make sure it was an earthquake. And when Baru said earthquake. So
You felt it already?
Yeah, I felt it already in the clouds when I was sitting there. We've had earthquakes in Indonesia, but it's different because now you are in.
Yeah,
the
but our
12th
house
floor, and our house is flat.
just ground floor.
And if ever it falls down, it's a good
No, but it doesn't fall.
Yeah, but it's
Our
a
house is from wood in Indonesia, so it doesn't fall down. It's very safe. They have a wooden house. Yeah, where? Ambulance? Where? Oh, the ambulance is moving around. Wow, that one is still standing.
Yeah, one was on the same level, but wanted to go with the elevator because he thought it was still working.
Yeah, but then
But
again.
then he went with the stairs, so probably they.
Yeah, but it's very dangerous because if they will usually directly shut down the elevators, but if you get into the elevator, there's another shock, then the elevator will be. Then you're happy. And
Everybody might be gone, you know, and you're still in there,
Yeah.
even though the elevator still.
But I was surprised some
Building.
fire doors were not opened. Eh? No. Yeah, and the problem is also from all the commotion, people and I having diarrhea. Doing real efforts not to. Oh.
Go there. Some pizza.
We're gonna ask at the Korean barbecue if we go to the toilet here. I can't wait. Let's use the toilet. So now I feel. But I think in a little while we're gonna try get an update at the lobby, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. We're gonna check it out. Yeah. We're gonna check it out. Oh, that people are still outside. Yeah, they don't want to walk. The people are still outside here. I think he didn't get the memo that the lifts are not working. Oh, wow.
Maybe we are preparing some aftershock. I'm not clear.
Yeah, there might be an aftershock, right?
Yeah, it might be, but until now, I don't know.
Yeah, that's right.
No second shock.
But this was the first shock.
There's-
Yeah. Is it, where was it? Only here?
No, it's whole Metro Manila.
Oh, Manila.
5.9.
Oh, 5.9. So, and because we were so high, that's why the building was going all the way.
If you go to your unit, please check your wall. No? If there is any
Cracks?
crack, no, please damage crack. or
Okay,
anything,
yeah.
Please
Report.
Report,
to
okay.
the maintenance.
Okay, thanks. So, Baru wants to go inside, pick up his toys.
No, just pick up.
So it was a 5.9 in the hall of Metro Manila, we just understood. Last year they had also an earthquake, but just a minor thing, there's nothing comparing to here. So they tell us to check in your apartment if there are any cracks. If there's any crack, we have to report it here because then they will check if there's any unsafety in the building. They can't advise if you have to can go inside already or not because they don't know if there's going to be an aftershock or not. An aftershock sometimes can be heavier than the actual earthquake. Now, if there is any updates, we will let you know, of course. If else, we just end the video like this. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I hope it didn't shock you too much. Abby's already a bit okay now. Look at the face. Look at me. Are you okay already a bit? What is okay? Are you okay or a little bit okay? Little bit. Thanks for watching. We're all safely back into the building. It's I think 11 o'clock now, and so I'm rounding up this video and posting it directly so you guys know everything is fine. And thank you for watching. And then we hope to go to bed to sleep. We hope there will not be there will not be another aftershock. I'm just eating because I hardly had the dinner, and so. I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe all these things. It was a roller coaster, it was a funny day. So but just thank you for watching and see you in the next vlog.